sounds disgusting, but in ancient Rome, urine wasn't just waste. It was big business. Public toilets weren't just for convenience. They were collection points. Workers gathered jars full of urine and hauled them to massive workshops called phalonicae, the ancient Roman equivalent of laundromats. Inside, slaves would stomp on clothes soaked in a mix of water and urine, just like grapes in wine. Why? Because the ammonia in urine was perfect for removing grease, dirt, and even whitening togas. But laundry wasn't the only use. Romans believed urine could whiten teeth. Some even used it as a kind of mouthwash. Imported Portuguese urine was considered the best, a strange luxury by ancient standards. The demand grew so much that Emperor Vespasian decided to tax urine itself. Collectors had to pay a fee for the right to gather it. When his son Titus mocked him for making money off something so disgusting, Vespasian held up a gold coin and said, "Pecunia non olet." Money doesn't smell. That phrase still survives today, a reminder that profit has no odor, no matter where it comes from. So the next time you do laundry, remember that in ancient Rome, the secret ingredient was pee.